26 years ago, with the Arab oil embargo, we were doing in-house research looking at enhanced oil recovery processes. And with the Arab oil embargo, there was a major thrust to try things. So we took our EOR processes into the field to try them, and they were a mixed bag of successes, failures, but we didn't know why. We really knew nothing about the geology. And so we backed up and went back into the lab and worked on the processes up until about 15 years ago. We had a number of organizations that requested that we really get involved in reservoir characterization. So we developed a program in reservoir characterization, and it was really the start of what we call geoscience. And the program since then has gradually grown into a really good balance between the geoscience, the process research, and field demonstration. And today we cover the full waterfront from all the way from refining through the exploration. The program is quite a bit larger than it was. We have 5 areas now. The imaging or exploration, which includes the basically seismic program and some geology, drilling, completion, stimulation. We have the programs where we work with the independent producers, work with the Native Americans to help them develop the resources on their reservations. We work with through the class demonstration program with really large projects for demonstrating technology, which includes a lot of reservoir characterization before we ever try an enhanced oil recovery project. There's a lot more benefit in what we do now because we really look at the industry and see what the needs are. And before, like, we had no work going on in the environmental area, and that really was where the industry was having difficulty in meeting the regulations. And we've worked with the EPA to cause the regulations to be based on solid science rather than blanket risk-based, really. When the industry comes to us with a problem, we have a number of ways that we work with them. We can contract directly with them when we have a solicitation on the street and they bring a problem to us through a solicitation. We have the natural gas and oil technology partnership where we can go to the national labs, and the national labs and industry come up with projects that make sense, that utilizes the technology mainly from the defense program.